Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to create person-specific branches for work. One branch for one or each person of the team. Let's create branch by git checkout b person1 main. It will create a branch person1 which will have all of the codes from main branch. Okay, now let's create same or another branch person2. Now let's check how many branch do you have on our local repository git branch. We have three branches: main, person1 and person2. Now let's push all the branches in our cloud repository from our local repository git push -- all origin. All our new branches from our local repository has been pushed to our cloud repository. Great, you did it or we did it. Okay, let's check, refresh branches. See, we have three branches.